Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Evernote to Todoist easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official Todoist website. Log into your Todoist account using your credentials. In a separate tab, open the Evernote website and log into your account as well. Once logged into Todoist, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Evernote integration option. Click on the Connect button next to the Evernote option. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to sign into your Evernote account. Enter your Evernote login details and click Sign In. Allow Todoist to access your Evernote account by clicking Allow. Once the connection is established, you'll be redirected back to Todoist. You can now set up your preferences for how you want Evernote notes to appear in Todoist. To create a task from an Evernote note, go to the note you want to use. Click on the share icon within Evernote and select Copy Link. Return to Todoist and create a new task. Paste the copied link into the task description area. Add any additional details or due dates as needed. Click Add Task to save. Your Evernote note is now linked to your Todoist task. You can verify the connection by checking for updates or notes linked in your Todoist account. This integration will help streamline your workflow between both applications. You have successfully connected Evernote to Todoist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.